did Black
Be on the
Cap.
back.
We're going to
Yeah.
do Peaked and Middle today.
But this would be the long way in.
That is the long way in.
Long way in.
All right,
Bye.
having some fun. Nice, easy rolling hills to start with. Get your legs warmed up. Quite the difference between being exposed in the sun and being underneath here. Happy to have the long sleeve to start the day. Half mile in, it gets a little steeper, rockier. All right, we're taking the Middle Mountain Trail up to Middle Mountain, 1.4 miles. And then we'll come back and go up Peaked. Just under a mile in, getting a little steeper. Up we go. Just a little over a mile and the woods has changed. Up we go. All right, 1.2 in, you're at a connector. We're gonna go to Peak Mountain second, so we're not going left now. We're gonna continue on 0.8 to Middle Mountain. Mountain's been teasing us for the last couple tenths, pretty flat. Just getting us ready for the final half mile. 1.7 in, you start to hit the early parts of the slabs. And she's powering up those hills. Not far to go.
Up we go. Hey.
Rock slab. Top of Middle Mountain. This is one of the overlooks.
That's the pond we came from? No. Yeah, that's the pond.
Yep.
First peak of the trail. Little pond over there.
There's Chicora and Middle Sister. Look down into this little town, North Conway. Beautiful.
An offshoot of our first peak. Middle peak. Part B. Whew. Well, our descent from the first peak, middle peak, and we're heading it. What's the second one? He's just laughing.
All right, we're back to the intersection. We're going to take the Peak Mountain Trail and then pick up the last couple tenths to the peak of Peaked Mountain. A lot of peaks. Off we go. Steady up on the peaked connector. Not much further to go. All right, one of the top lookouts on Peaked Mountain. Good little finish to that climb.
It was.
It was. Following the slabs on the peak trail down. Nice, a little more gradual, a lot less scree. Completely different view. Very enjoyable so far.
Different trail coming down. We're going to turn there. Gotta get some overlooks.
Beautiful. Rock slab. Tell you what, this trail down just keeps on giving. That was a nice half mile of slab. Now we're pretty much going to be winding down the mountain for a mile and a half. Well worth it. All right, we're halfway down the Peaked Mountain Trail. Heading home. Well, you're just
Hi.
about back. Did you enjoy that?
I did, very much.
A couple of great peaks with lots of views. And the nice surprise with the
slabs.
the ledge slabs
That's
on the
my
way
favorite.
down Peak Mountain Trail.
That was my favorite by far.
Yeah,
The views are really great on middle.
yeah.
Going up was like, oh, but it was doable.
All righty. Till next time.